Hi, and welcome to my hotel tour of the Hyatt Regency in Irvine. This is our third visit since their opening, but our first time seeing it nearly complete. The first two times there was no Regency Club or a pool. The dining facilities and common spaces were also under construction, so we were definitely looking forward to seeing these new renovations. On our previous trips, we stayed in their one-bedroom corner suite with 2 bathrooms and a large living space. This visit, we stayed in a 2-queen bedroom on the 11th floor. As expected, it was very clean with a nice designer's touch. This valet tray was a great place to leave your loose items like a room key or wallet, and this simply designed coat hanger was very useful. And if you're like me and always feel the need to charge your devices, the room has ample charging ports, even one in the bathroom. As Hyatt Globalists, we have access to the Regency Club for breakfast, snacks, and evening dessert. The seating is very spacious and comfortable. This is a very good place to just lounge around and relax, have a drink, have some food, and just kind of hang out and chat. Outside, there's additional seating with a fire pit to keep you warm. There was a good variety of dishes for breakfast, and the staff was wonderful. On the second floor is the fitness center, which had 2 Peloton bikes and plenty of cardio equipment. All the machines, the weights were very well maintained and clean, so that was definitely a big plus. Peloton and Hyatt have partnered up so you could earn up to 100 World of Hyatt points for working out on the Peloton. Here's a screenshot showing my 100 points. Lobby level, there are several large conference rooms, and when we were staying there were a few conventions going on as well as a few conferences going on at the same time. So we know that this place can be very busy, and the staff were very busy setting up, and from peeking inside, it looked great. Also on the lobby floor is the market as well as a restaurant. The market has several menu choices and a large variety of grab-and-go items for purchase. This outdoor pool was surprisingly nice. There are 2 small slides, which are closed for the season, as well as a hot tub. The pool was warm enough to swim even in January, but the overall ambiance was great. The The huge big screen TV was truly impressive. I've never seen anything like that at one of these Hyatts. In the summer, this place would definitely be an amazing place to just lounge around. I found this hotel to be a very good value as a Category 3. There's no doubt it will increase to a higher category soon. What do you think about this hotel? Let me know and see you next time.